Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today I will help you out by showing you how to make a single block wheat farm in Minecraft that is really quick. So the only thing of course you need to grow wheat is water and wheat seeds. Water I've placed on a little block over there, and I'm just going to cover it up again. Then right here you want to place your wheat seed, but there's also a little bit of redstone that comes with this. So the first thing you want is a dispenser showing the wheat seeds away. Then you want to connect it with some redstone dust. Then what you want is you want to place 2 more redstone right here. Then repeaters facing each side. Let's give them the maximum amount of delay, and 2 more here. Then what you want to do is power it with a torch. Then you want to break the redstone, break the torch. And as you can see, now this redstone is going off continuously. So the only other thing we need is something that I don't actually have, which is bone meal. Luckily I have a very fast mob farm over there, which should be completely full of bone meal. Oh, I do have bone meal actually, wow. Well, we're just going to completely stock up the thing with all of the bone meal from this little farm right here, which isn't running in the background because it's not chunk loaded, but as you can see I have plenty of it. Let's throw out some of the things I don't particularly need, like this and this. I don't need that, just so we can have some more space to make the bone meal. And we are going to completely stock up this little dispenser with the bone meal, and you'll see just what happens. And as you can see, all we need to do is keep breaking and replacing the wheat. Make sure to not fall into the hole like I just did, because then you will need to use the hoe on the thing again. But you get the idea. It grows very quickly, and until the dispenser is empty, this redstone clock will keep running. So that is how to make this farm. You can make it literally as big as you want. I just made it 1 block to show it off, but that is it. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.